I lost what took me 2 years to achieve, and this video is going to be my plan on how I'm going to get it back. So, for context, I was always a skinny kid. Putting on weight was hard, keeping it was even harder. I tried to hit the gym time and time again, but I always ended up finding an excuse to stop before anything actually changed for me. About 3 years ago, I finally decided I wasn't going to be that guy anymore. I started training consistently, at least 4 times a week, working it around my night shifts, forcing myself to eat more and actually keep track of my calories for the first time ever. Over the 2 years, my physique changed completely and I was finally happy. Fast forward another year and I decided to change jobs and move house. Although I was blessed and managed to achieve both of these goals, somewhere along the way my routine fell apart. I went from 4 days of 2-hour training sessions down to once a month if I was lucky. I lied to myself thinking it was fine because I was just busy with life and that I would soon get back into it. I've probably been about 10 times since then, and this is what I currently look like. It's better than where I started, but it's nowhere near my previous best. Physically, I've lost a lot of what I worked for, but more than that, I lost the structure and consistency that helped me get there in the first place. Because of this, I've decided to make this channel and use it for documenting my journey to regain everything I've lost. Having this documented, especially if you decide to follow along, adds a layer of accountability I didn't have before, and I believe it will stop me from falling off again. I'm aiming to upload 1 proper video a week, and possibly more in the future if this goes well. Please bear with me, it's all new to me. If you do decide to follow my progress and see areas I can improve in, then please let me know. I know a bit about the gym and building muscle, but I'm sure there's always something I can learn from you. Even if it's tips for making a better video, it'll all be appreciated. Let's get this started and skip to the part where I force myself back into the gym.
To the witch, I see him running to the witch. Disappearing to the myth. Look, I'm running to the witch. I see him running to the witch. Disappearing to the myth.
I wanted to keep this first video short and to the point, so if you're still watching, I appreciate it. And I'm looking forward to next week's video, where hopefully I'll see you again. Thank you.